This material is from National Open University of Nigeria. My name is Dan Asukwo, your instructor. If you are a noun student or from any other universities, this will be very useful for you. Please do well to share it with others as well as on your study groups. Do you want a video of any other GST? If so, let us know at the comment section. If this is your first time of coming across our videos, then do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share for others too to benefit. Unit 6. Sources of Knowledge and Criteria for Knowing. Detailed Summary 1. Introduction. This unit introduces the different sources and criteria for knowing, aiming to differentiate between common sense and philosophical understanding of knowledge, belief, and opinion. 2. Intended learning outcomes. Learners are expected to differentiate between knowledge, opinion, and belief, discuss their common sense and philosophical understandings, identify sources of knowledge, and discuss the criteria for knowledge. 3. Main content 3.1. Difference between knowledge, opinion, and belief. Knowledge, opinion, and belief are often used interchangeably in everyday language, causing confusion. Philosophically, knowledge requires certainty and evidence, whereas opinion and belief rely on personal conviction. 3. 1.1. Common sense understanding. In common sense, knowledge may be equated with acquaintance, and people often confuse knowing with believing or thinking. The distinction between these terms is often blurred in daily life. 3. 1.2. Philosophical understanding. Philosophically, knowledge implies certainty and truth. Belief or opinion, although important, do not require the same level of evidence. Knowledge is objective and requires reasons and evidence for claims. 3.2. Sources of knowledge. Various sources of knowledge include reason, sense experience, authority, intuition, revelation, faith, and mystical experience. 3. 2.1. Reason. Rationalism asserts that knowledge comes from pure reason, without relying on sense experience. Reason is considered the primary matrix of human knowledge by rationalists. 3. 2.2. Sense experience. Empiricism holds that knowledge comes solely from sense experience, denying the role of reason. Prominent empiricists include Locke, Berkeley, and Hume. 3. 2.3. Authority. Authority is considered a source of knowledge when claims are based on the expertise of specialists. However, reliance on authority alone may be fallacious. 3. 2.4. Intuition. Intuition provides immediate apprehension without the need for reasoning. It's often described as a gut feeling and can inform beliefs or knowledge. 3. 2.5. Revelation and faith. Knowledge can also come from divine communication or faith, where individuals believe in truths revealed to them through dreams or religious experiences. 4. Conclusion. The unit concludes by emphasizing the understanding of different sources of knowledge and their criteria, along with the distinctions between common sense and philosophical perspectives. 5. Summary. Learners are encouraged to revisit the unit and reflect on the lessons learned, emphasizing the importance of understanding sources of knowledge and criteria for knowing. Discussion forum. Learners engage in discussing the relationships between philosophy and academic disciplines, justify why philosophy is often regarded as abstract, state philosophical thoughts, and provide comments from a philosophical viewpoint on other learners' posts.